A comparison. Mary is the most intelligent girl in the class. This is comparison. Here we are comparing the intelligence of Mary with other girls in the class. So it is a comparison. And she is the most intelligent girl in the class. Here the most is correct because here she is on the top of intelligence scale in the class. So here she is being compared with other students in the class. But in the sentence that I am going to tell you now, the situation is different. Sometimes most can mean very. It can give the meaning of very. For example, Mary is a most intelligent girl. Here, most intelligent girl hasn't been used for comparison. It is not like the word the most that we use for comparison. Mary is a most intelligent girl. Here we haven't used the most. Mary is a most intelligent girl. Here you see the most, the superlative degree hasn't been used. We have instead used here a most intelligent girl. Why we have used a most and where we use the most? You should know the difference. Sometime while speaking or writing, we commit this mistake. How to avoid that? You can avoid when you understand the difference. Almost means very. Almost is not superlative degree. Almost means very, like very beautiful. Mary is a most intelligent girl means she is very intelligent. Mary is the most intelligent girl in the class means she is intelligent compared to the class. She is better than the class. She is more intelligent than the class. So here her intelligence is being compared with the class, with other students in the class. And in the second sentence that I have put before you, Mary is a most intelligent girl. Here it has no comparison. And this is not a comparative sentence. There is no comparison because here we are talking only about Mary. And here almost means very. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.